Welcome! In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to uncover the keywords your competitors are ranking for. It's a simple 6-step process that will give you valuable insights into their search strategy. First, let me take you to the Domain Overview tool, which is your starting point for competitor analysis. Here in the search bar, you'll want to type in the domain of the competitor you'd like to research. Just enter it like you would any website address. For example, example.com. Once the results load, scroll down until you find the Organic Research section on the page. Clicking here reveals all the organic keywords that domain is ranking for, along with valuable metrics about their search performance. If you want to dig deeper, you can return to the overview and check out the Paid Search Traffic section to see which keywords they're bidding on in their ad campaigns. And that's how you discover what's working for your competitors. You now have access to their keyword strategy, which you can use to inform your own approach. That's all there is to it. You're now ready to start researching competitor keywords on your own. Feel free to go through this walkthrough again anytime.